Once upon a time, in a land far beyond the maps, there was a forest. This forest was home to many species, from worms and the smallest of insects, to cunning foxes and majestic deers. A natural order, almost like a purpose, seemed to be installed in each and every one of them. The insects and worms kept the ground alive and fertile while feeding the birds and smaller creatures, who in turn served as prey for the larger animals. So the cycle continued, and the forest flourished. No one could tell exactly what happened. The birds saw it first. The fungus slowly spread over the landscape like black mold, devouring every living organism in its destructive path. Starting at the outskirts, the plague steadily crept towards the heart of the forest, pushing animals out of their habitats and into rival territory. Even the trees, once allies against the forces of nature, were now blackened to the very roots. The balance that was once taken for granted seemed but a distant memory now. While the birds moved on at once, many other animals fell prey to the plague. If they went cornered or surprised in their sleep, they fell prey to their own denial, refusing to leave their home for uncertain pastures. A small group of rabbits, however, curious in nature and too young to have discarded of their recklessness yet, refused to wait for their certain death and set out to find a cure. An antidote. They had heard tales of the entity only known to them as Mother, a spirit as old as the forest itself. She was said to live in the mother tree in the very center of the forest, her roots being the source of all life. With her help, and if they reached her before the infection, they could surely restore balance, right?